Okay, everybody, just got back from taking Jelly Bean to the crematory. Got his blanket here and the babies. And when I stopped for food, before I even realized what I was doing, I had ordered the side of the chicken McNuggets that I always get for Jelly Bean. So the babies get a chicken McNugget to commemorate. Marshall, Lindsay, num-nums, babies, get down, not you. Come on, Lindsay, Marshall. Lindsay, Marshall. They love their chicken nuggets. Come on, Junior, here's a little bite for you. But they love their chicken nuggets. This was something that they shared with Jelly Bean anytime I went out. So it's only fitting that they get to share it. I'm going to have to go fetch the other two. They're sitting in there looking at me like, Mom, I'm tired. Come on, Marshall, let's go. Mama got a num-num. Lindsay. Leslie. Lindsay. I don't know why I got Lindsay on the brain. There you go, Marshall. I have to change her name to Lindsay. Leslie. That's probably why she's looking at me funny. Leslie. Come on, Leslie. You gonna get your butt in here? Marshall got to sit there. He knows it. Come on, it's chicken nugget time. Come on, Leslie. Num-num. All right, now we got her. Babies have their chicken nuggets on Jelly Bean's blanket. They say it'd be about a week. Come here, Cooper. There's you another piece. You need another piece, Lynn? This is just a little 8 count, and this is what we do. And it's funny because I won't eat out for myself unless I can grab them a chicken nugget or a little taco or something. I know they miss him already. Sister, you want a chicken nugget? See if Sister will eat a piece. Junior, want a bite? I've got to share a picture with you guys later. I did a video about Junior and Jelly Bean earlier. Cooper, did you eat yours already? Leslie, here's you another bite. Marshall, do you need another bite? No, he's holding his. Junior, you need another little bite? He knows it's chicken nugget time, and usually he won't eat the chicken nuggets because he lets Jelly Bean have them. Hang on, Marshall, I got another one. For Marshall, hey, here's you a bite, Jack. This is Jack's first chicken nugget. No, second. Second chicken nugget treat. Marshall's like, you ain't getting my chicken nugget. He knows how to hold his own. Jelly Bean taught him well. Lynn, are you and Cooper having an argument over a piece? Hold on. Cooper. All right, Leslie. Okay, Lynn. Leslie. Cooper. Okay, Lynn. All right, who's getting the last bite? Here, Jack. You have the last bite. That's all of them. Y'all want the package to play with? There, you guys can have the package to play with. But yeah, chicken nugget time for the babies to commemorate Jelly Bean. It should have been the boys going for surgery today, getting the broken kitties fixed. But decision had to be made, you know. And there are people who have been Jelly Bean's angels who have asked for some of his ashes, and we're going to make that happen. That's all gone. All gone. All that's left is Mama's half a burger and onion rings. Say hi, Leslie, that I keep calling Miss Lindsay. You're a Lindsay Leslie, huh? So you know your name, though. You come when I call you by your name. There's Ruby. It should have been Ruby and Junior going for surgery today. But we had to reschedule. Every time I have a schedule date for them, something has come up and we've had to cancel. Why is the universe telling me that these two boys shouldn't get their nuts cut? They're not related to Jelly Bean. Say hi, Marshall. Hi, Marshall. Hi, Junior. Hi, Jack. And when Jack gets his surgery done, he will be up for adoption. He's an amazing boy. Come here, Jack. Jack. He's like, don't bug me. I got the munchies. Jack. He's a cuddle bug. He loves snuggles. In the evening only, though. Leslie. Say hi. Lynn. You know your name too, huh? Cooper. Are you gonna photobomb? Say Marshall. Hi, Marshall. When these guys get a little older, they will be up for adoption. I knew that was coming. It's always fun with the bag. Lulu, don't get it. It's an empty bag. I've got something for you, Lulu. It's just not in that bag. I promise. I'll get yours when they're done. Okay? Are you ready for your nap? Are we ready for a nap, Lynn? You had your chicken nuggets? Yeah. Say hi, Jack. Jack's been great because I've been crying. And I think he was crying this morning, too. He knows Mama's sad, huh? You know Mama's sad. He's going to make somebody. He needs a buddy, though. He can't be an only kiddo. He'd get way too bored. So he has to have a buddy to play with. He's very playful. So if you're thinking about adopting Jack, consider adopting 2 because he has to have a buddy. His best buddy is right here, little Miss Lynn. She will get him going something fierce. She absolutely will. It's like those two are bonded. Every time I look through the house, I expect to see him, you know? But I know he's not there. Say, all right, kiddos. You've had your chicken nugget. Let me give the doggy her treat so we can lay down for a little bit. Mama's exhausted. What do you tell the people? Tell them we're going to keep Jelly Bean's channel going in his memory. And Lynn is going to be silly. Again. Gonna get it? Which one's going to get their head stuck in it next? I don't know which is more fun, watching them eat the chicken nugget or playing with the empty bags. Lulu, I promise I have something in the bag for you too. But the babies always go first. You know that. The littles always go first. We're going to get the bag. All right, everybody.